Hi, I'm attorney Rilus Dana. I practice law in Arizona and California. In this video, I want to show you one of my favorite advanced estate planning techniques. This is two single trusts with life estates. Now, this is a great technique for same-sex couples, unmarried couples, or married couples even, if they have separate assets and children from a prior relationship or a different set of beneficiaries. So many different scenarios that I've used this for. So it could be unmarried couple, married couple, and they each have their own set of beneficiaries. Now, a lot of times they come to see me and they already have a bank account together and they purchased a house together and they have some of their other assets, some of the other separate property that they had before the marriage or before the relationship. So two single trusts, this is a more advanced video. You can go back to my earlier videos to see more details about trusts and how they work, but each of them are going to create their own trust. There'll be the trustor, which is the person that makes the trust. There'll be the trustee, which manages the trust, and the beneficiary, the one that benefits from their trust. Unlocked, meaning revocable, they can make changes to their trust. And they get to choose who's going to manage their trust, who will be the trustee after they're gone or incapacitated, and where their stuff goes, who's going to be the beneficiary of their trust, of their assets, and when and how their children or their beneficiaries will receive those things. Okay, so we can divide the house into the two different trusts. So we can divide it 50-50, or if one person paid 70%, then we would put 70% in their trust. So that's the first concept I want you guys to realize. That's news to a lot of people that don't realize that two different trusts can be the owner of a piece of real estate or a house. So we can put the ownership in each of the house. And what this life estate means, it means that they're going to give their partner the ability to live rent-free in their half of the house or whatever the share is for the rest of their life. So this is a good way to balance things. So that way you can direct where things go. You can protect your children or your beneficiaries, but also your partner. So make sure that if you were to pass away, they don't get booted out of the house, but also make sure that your children or your beneficiaries are going to receive their share of that house. So in each trust, they can choose who their beneficiaries are. So maybe some goes to their partner, some to their children. And then same thing with retirement accounts and life insurance. They can name their children or other beneficiaries or their partner or any combination of the two of them or whoever. All right, one person passes away. So a new trustee gets appointed for his trust. And they're going to distribute the trust assets to his children, his beneficiaries. In this scenario, it's showing the retirement accounts goes to his partner and the life insurance to his kids. So I really like this strategy because there's not a lot of administration and not a lot of potential for lawsuits and litigation when one of the parties passes away. It makes it clear that this house, that they're going to get it later. So they have protection to receive it later. And then the surviving spouse or the surviving partner also has protection too, that they get to live in the house as long as they want. Then once they pass away, then the house would be sold and transferred. So half would go over there to those beneficiaries, and then the other half over there. Hope you found this helpful. Two single trusts with life estates, lots of scenarios that you could use this in. So you can reach out to me in Arizona and California if you need help. Whoops, someone's reaching out to me now. We can help you set up your plan in Arizona and California. And then if you're not already following the Mott Legal YouTube channel, go ahead and follow us there. That's where I do most of the content and most videos. So thanks for following. Hope you found this enjoyable. Let me know in the comments what other topics that you'd like to hear about.